On the morning of April 3rd, 2016, Amtrak Train 89, the Palmetto, was heading south on the Northeast Corridor when it struck a backhoe on the tracks in Chester, Pennsylvania. There were two Amtrak employees on and around the backhoe when Amtrak 89 struck it. Besides the two Amtrak employees, there were many injured in this incident. Many passengers are quoted as saying that they were thrown forward at the time of impact. One passenger even described a mini explosion at the time of impact with the backhoe. It may take months for the NTSB officials to figure out what exactly went wrong with 89 on the Northeast Corridor. Before this video starts, I would like to personally give my condolences to the families of the two individuals that were struck and killed Sunday morning by Amtrak 89. May your loved ones rest in peace. As you can see here, this is where 627, leading the 89, came to rest. Amtrak investigation crews, including the NTSB, are all seen here investigating the derailment site of 627 and the 89. There's significant damage to the lead locomotive as well as some of the passenger cars. If you look to the right, about 4 or 5 cars back, one can see a backhoe wheel laying in track number 2. Soon after we arrived, the Northeast Corridor track number 1 was reopened and traffic could resume at a regular basis, with restricted speed. Seen here is Amtrak 79, the Carolinian, heading south by the derailment site, with ACS 64603 in the lead. Shortly after the Carolinian passed, another Amtrak ACS 64, numbered 645, is seen here leading yet another southbound passenger train by the derailment site. Once the two southbounds passed, a northbound regional was seen here passing the derailment site with ACS 64662 in the lead. This will be the last train on this video. And that concludes this video. If you want to see more content from us at RailFanMike Productions, be sure to like us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, I'd like to say rest in peace to the 2 Amtrak workers that were struck and killed by 89 early Sunday morning. This has been a RailFanMike production, copyright 2016.